Hi guys. Okay, so a couple of months ago I said I was going to do a doily giveaway and oh my gosh, I just haven't got to it. So here it is. And this doily giveaway came about because Wendy Mason had won a prize off Danica Creating's channel, and there were some little doilies, and I commented on Wendy's video how cute they were. And Jenny Jensen, she's from Danica Creating, she actually messaged and said, oh, I'll send you some. And I was like, no, that's okay. Because I feel really bad because postage from Denmark to Australia would cost so much. And anyway, she was so lovely and said no, they don't weigh very much, and she sent them anyway. And I just thought it was so kind of her. Just I hadn't even been a subby to her channel until I saw Wendy's video, and Wendy said she had made some beautiful birch and pine journals, like nature themed journals, and I went over to Jenny's channel to check them out, and they're absolutely gorgeous, and I subbed. But I thought it was so kind of her to just offer it like that. And anyway, so I said, oh, like, I was so grateful, and I had received so many happy mails, so I said I would use them to do a doily giveaway. And I had kind of planned one anyway for another channel, so I thought I would combine the two channels and do one big giveaway. But yeah, I'm babbling, but anyway, get to the point. I just haven't had a chance with, I don't know, life getting in the way. So I've got some time today, this morning, so I thought I'll quickly do a video. I'll put all the links to anyone I mention in the comments box below. And also, sorry, I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name as well wrong. I don't know if it's Jenny or Janie. It's J-A-N-N-I-E, but I say Jenny. It's Danica Creating. So I'll show the doilies she sent. And these are all the doilies she sent, so I'm putting them all into the giveaway. These are actually some little paper doilies. That she's cut with a die cut. And I never wanted a die cut until I see little paper doilies, and Wendy Mason had cut some out from some fabric softener satchels I sent her in a challenge. But when I see these little paper doilies, oh my gosh, this makes me want a die cut just for these. Look how cute they are. Music pages, book pages, scrapbook paper. I just love them. I just think they're so gorgeous. And I have so much music paper and book paper to use up. I think, look, that one got a bit squished. I think they would just look so cute on little clusters and embellishments. And anyway, so she sent those. Look at this one. It's got a little Eiffel Tower there. Okay, so they're the little paper ones. Oh, and I'm finding it hard to part with these little guys. They're so cute. Maybe I'll just pinch one out of the packet before I send it. I just love them. I don't know why. I just love little paper doilies. Okay. And, okay, let me go from the biggest first. There's this beautiful one. This is white, crocheted doily. Doilies always remind me of my grandmother's place because she loved ornaments and flower vases and photo frames and everything, and under everything on every little dressing table or shelf or anything, fireplace, she had a doily. So just doilies everywhere. We used to like joke about them when we were young, but because you know doilies when you're young, you always think, oh, they're so grandma-ish. But now I have the worst doily addiction. I just love them. Okay, there's this little white cotton one. So cute. And this is a little handkerchief. There's a little stain there, but that's okay. You're going to chop it up and you can probably wash that out. Some embroidery there. These are all the way from Denmark. It was so sweet. And this beige one. I love this one. And actually, funny enough, see this centerpiece? I've got a white one of those that I've put in. This one's really pretty. And this little fine guy, look at that, that's so cute. My grandmother could actually crochet like fine doilies and stuff like that. Okay, so they're the ones from Denica Creating. Then I purchased, you may have seen these before as well, I purchased 3 doily packs from Tony Williams' shop. It's Kitty's Craft Australia, craft with a K, and she does tie-dyeing, and they're so beautiful. I'm not like one for bright colors, but I love these. I just think they're so gorgeous. So I bought 3 packs, 1 for my giveaway and 2 for Happy Mails, which I still have not sent. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so there was this one, and these were some white butterfly doilies that I had chopped up from a big tablecloth and sent her. And look how beautiful they turn out. So gorgeous. A rainbow one. And yellow. Look how bright and colourful they are. They're so cheery and happy. Purple. I like the yellow one, I think, the best. Orange. They're all really beautiful though. I just love how the colour comes out. I remember I food dyed some ages ago, but it didn't turn out very nice. The tie-dye ones that she does are really beautiful. Look how beautiful that is. Pink. Blue. Little rainbow one. Oh, it's hard to see on camera, sorry it's dark, but this is purple here. So pretty. And then there's the little babies. Oh, I hope I haven't lost any babies. I feel like I have. No. Okay. This little red one. That is so cute. It's a darker red on camera. It's like Santa Claus red. And the little babies, we call them Skittles because they look like Skittles. They're so little and yummy. Okay, so that's the pack from Tony. Now I've also put in some doilies. So let me start from the bottom, the biggest one as well. There's this one. This is quite large. So it's crocheted around the edge and it's, you know, fabric cotton in the middle. Oh, there is a little ding there and there, but that's okay. You're going to chop it up anyway. And look, some pretty flowers all around it. Okay, so there's that guy. Oh, this is just a napkin. But I thought it was really pretty. So it's the whole napkin. You can chop that into pieces. And look at the work on it. It's so gorgeous. Silver threads, gold threads. Oops, my own camera. It's really shimmery. I can't say shimmery now without thinking of you, JD, with your, remember, shimmery, shiny, shimmery, when you made up that new word. This is more of your traditional doily. And these ones, these come up really, really beautiful coffee dyed. I've got some little coffee dyed packs in my Etsy shop. If you know, if you like rustic and grungy, they come up so nice coffee dyed. Like, I really love them. This little guy. These would be great in journals, these type. Ooh, this one. This was a great big tablecloth that I cut up. And I've got some packs in my Etsy shop, but I need to retake the photos because you can see all the creases. I need to iron them and retake the photos. But look how pretty that is. I just love this one. Like, it's got little machine embroidery. Oh no, my battery's going low. Hope you can see. And the little center doily. I really love that one. Got this little guy, and this one's an embroidered doily with little flowers. Oh, this is one of the butterfly doilies. I cut up a huge tablecloth. I used to have these in my Etsy shop, but they've since sold out. I've only got a few left. And that's one of the ones that Tony tie-dyed. And it's kind of similar to that one in the middle of the beige one. And this is just a centerpiece out of, you know, when you chop up the tablecloths, but you can use that somewhere in your journal. And one of these little mini ones, I've got a big tablecloth of this, but that I've been cutting up as well, and I've put these in my Etsy shop. They're really cute. It's got a salmon center. I think they're so cute. Anyway, so what do you have to do to be in the draw? Nothing really. You need to be a subby of mine, of course, and you have to be a visible subby. So if you've hidden your hidden it, who, you know, if you've hidden in your settings who you've subscribed to, then we can't see that you're a subby. So you have to be a visible subby of my channel, and of course you have to be a visible subby of Danica Creating and Kitty Craft Australia. So you have to be a subby for all three of our channels to be in the draw. And I was wondering if I should do one or two prizes, but I might just make it winner takes all just for ease, and so you get a nice juicy package of doilies. Anyway, so just leave a comment if you want to be in the draw. Leave a comment down below that you're a subby to all three channels, and I'll draw this in, I don't know, I don't want to commit to a date because I'm so unreliable with everything at the moment. The only thing I have been doing on time is getting my Etsy orders out. I might draw it in a week or two. Okay, so I won't give a date. You've got a week or two to go sub to all three channels, and I'll pick one at random. Open international, don't care where you are. And thank you everyone for all your support, not just to me, but other little channels that are trying to grow as well. And yeah. Thanks for watching, and I hope you join in. Bye.